Hello everyone, this is James from Lighthouse, and today I'm going to take you through how to set up a database access link to the Lighthouse software. So first and foremost, I have an Excel spreadsheet opened up, and in the first field I'm going to enter what is called a column header. This is quite important for later on, so bear this in mind. Next, I'm just going to populate some of the fields below it. So these are, in a sense, going to be each of the individual labels that I would like to print on. I've got the information I need, so now I'm going to go File and Save As. I'm just going to save this to my desktop for now, and we'll call it Printer Models. You can call it anything you wish. And then the next quite important step is you need to save it as a 97 to 2003 workbook. Click on Save. Now you can close down your Excel spreadsheet. And here I already have a label template set up, which is usually the quickest way of doing it, but it's entirely up to you. So there's 4 labels here. I've got four records in my database. So first and foremost, if I go to Data up here, Database Access, and click on Wizard. Direct Database Access should be selected automatically. Click on Browse. And here I'm just browsing to my desktop. Click on Printer Models. This sheet here is simply the first sheet in the database that's created. Next. Here we entered our printers as the column header earlier, so this is the identifier. Next. And here I'm going to select the bottom option for both of these. So I want to select what record to print, and I will enter label quantity for each selected record. Click on Next. And then again, I'm going to select the bottom option, which says I will link the database fields to the objects myself later. And click on Finish. The database link has been created to the first sheet. Close. Now we're going to want to actually add the text to our label. So I'm going to go to Text Box because it's variable data we are using. Go to the drop-down arrow, use existing variable, and printers. You can see this is a column header we created earlier. Click onto your label. You can resize it how you wish. I'm just going to do this very quickly, but I'm sure you'll spend a little bit more time doing it. The next thing I would do is add a cut shape, unless you've got one in already. So I'm just going to do that very quickly, like so. You can spend time aligning things like that, but just for the purpose of this video, I'll just show you how it actually links to the spreadsheet. And now let's say I'm happy with the label and I just want to go to Print. So File and Print. Here it's going to ask you to select the record you wish to print. So Select Records. I'm going to select the 4 that I would like and click OK. And now Preview. So here you can see the Excel database fields are actually being linked to the label. So this is really useful for asset management, racking labels, you name it. Provided the label information doesn't have any kind of sequence, the database access is a fantastic tool to use. If you do need any assistance with this going forward, please feel free to contact us and we'll be happy to help. Thank you.